Time management is the most important thing for all. I'm sure all of you would like to hear some useful tips about this. If so, please listen carefully to what I have to tell you in this video. We may be students, housewives, professionals, office goers, or businessmen. We all know that we get only 24 hours in a day, and how best we are able to manage these 24 hours determines the quality of our tomorrow, isn't it? Friends, there are simple approaches that can give one remarkably good results. My three important suggestions are: number one, develop high level skills. Spend a part of the day to sharpen your skills so that it will prepare you for the important event of tomorrow. Number two, work on priorities first. Identify priorities and distribute your 24 hours appropriately, focusing first always on completing bigger tasks. Number three, be thirsty for success. Keep constantly reminding yourself as to why it is important for you to finish it well and finish it fast. Fix your own time deadlines on the tasks and make sure you reach them all on or before time with 100% or near 100% accuracy. Friends, if you understand these three most important points, trust me, it is more powerful than any other long lectures on time management. One might argue on this and say, sir, if it is so simple, why are a majority of people struggling and failing to achieve their goals? Good question indeed, which needs an apt explanation. Believe me when I say it is not really difficult to explain the why. Listen very attentively now to what I have to say. Friends, once the mind and body begin to apply themselves for the completion of a task, suddenly out of nowhere will surface up certain invisible little devils. One can name these devils as the procrastination devils, the distraction devils, or the boredom devils. They begin attacking one's mind with strong invisible darts, and the person soon starts yawning, feeling drowsy and sleepy. Slowly, boredom overpowers the person, and he or she will give up doing whatever they are doing and tell themselves, I will do it later. There is plenty of time. I need a break. Or they could say to self, let me take a sharp nap and get back to it. Some might also think, let me go out for a long walk, then come back and do it. I feel so stressed. It is quite natural, it seems, doesn't it? Well, everybody who said these or thought this way did so because the devil darts were doing their work effectively. I would say they allowed themselves to become a victim of the devil's poison darts. Therefore, dear students, housewives, professionals, businessmen, or anybody for that matter, the solution is only one option for you to choose. That is, shut the door with a bang on procrastination, distractions, and boredom. But remember, it is not as easy as said. To be able to do this, you must strongly surface up your internal power called self realization. As soon as your self realization takes the driving seat on your mind, it soon attracts the three Ds: dedication, determination, and discipline. The weak mind now becomes very strong and says, I do feel like I need a break, but no, I just cannot listen to the little devils. I have to reach my goal come what may. As this thought vibrates loudly, the defeated devils soon fade away and go in search of another weak mind. And as you know, there are many out there. Friends, I honestly feel time management is not a long blah 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 speech to be heard. It is a small poke to one's own level of understanding. If one perfectly understood the content of my short talk, trust me, developing strong wings is only a matter of time. So quickly push that self realization tool getting rusty somewhere within you and oil it regularly to shine and function at its best. Then watch how it makes you fly. You will meet with all your realistic goals you set for yourself and transform yourself from ordinary to extraordinary. Do it, you can, and you must. I hope I have given you enough food for thought to impact your thought processes positively. It is up to you to start making corrections on your own mindsets. Good luck and best wishes from me. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you like my talk, then click subscribe so that you will receive my new videos as and when I upload them. Thank you. Bye.